Welcome back everyone to my channel, Future Tech. If you're passionate about technology and coding, you've tuned into the right spot. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in the tech world. If you know you are doing any different thing, please stop and pay attention to the top programming languages you should be aware of in 2024. Before diving into specific programming languages, it's important to understand why staying updated with programming trends is crucial. The tech landscape evolves rapidly, and languages that are popular today might not hold the same relevance in the future. In this way, you can make strategic decisions about where to focus your learning efforts and which skills to develop. Alright, let's explore the top programming languages to learn in 2024. We'll begin with one of the most versatile and widely used languages today, and the first one in our list is JavaScript. JavaScript is mainly designed for web development. It's the language that powers interactive elements on websites, from dynamic content updates to complex user interfaces. Its versatility extends beyond the browser with server-side applications using Node.js. Now, let's move on to another powerhouse in the programming world, and that will be Python. Python has highly adaptable power and used for a wide range of applications. It's extensively used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. Libraries such as Django and Flask simplify web development, while tools like Pandas and NumPy are indispensable for data analysis. With Python's versatility and popularity firmly established, let's shift our focus to another language, which will be Rust. Rust is increasingly being used for developing high-performance applications such as game engines, operating systems, and other software where performance and reliability are critical. The Rust community is also expanding, providing more resources and tools for developers. Let's continue from where we left off with Rust to C++. C++ is also highly portable, meaning you can develop applications that run across different platforms with minimal changes to your codebase, from operating systems and embedded database and UI applications. Alright, we've covered JavaScript, Python, Rust, and C++, four powerful languages with unique strengths. Now, let's talk about another essential language in the programming world, Java. Java is a long-standing favorite in the tech industry due to its portability and robustness. It's widely used in enterprise environments, Android app development, and large-scale systems. Java's platform independence, thanks to the JVM, allows code to run anywhere, making it versatile for cross-platform applications. So, if you're looking for a language that's reliable, versatile, and has a proven track record, Java is definitely worth considering. Whether you're developing enterprise applications, mobile apps, or large-scale systems, Java has the tools and community to support you. And that wraps up our look at some of the top programming languages you should consider learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more programming tips and insights. See you in the next video.